I got 95 on math tests.
For real? 95? That's awesome. Sweetie?
What was the highest score in class?
Highest was 98. I'm third. Teacher said I improved the most this semester.
Here's your reward. Deluxe Weekend Amusement Park Pass. 2 days and 1 night.
Awesome. Here I come, roller coaster.
My grade came out too.
75 points. A B? Not bad. Up 5 points from last time.
But LiBu, you know our rule. A B grade hasn't met the reward standard yet. Next time, get above 85, okay?
It's okay. Little brother, you can watch TV at home. I'll bring you a souvenir.
I'm going to my room.
Mom, this teddy bear is so cute. I like it very much. Oh my God, so stinky. This person must be too lazy to work. That's why he's begging.
Lily, don't say that.
Let's go. Ignore him. They're all scammers.
How do you know he's a scammer?
They say it on TV. Many beggars beg during the day and stay in hotels at night.
But what if he's real? He looks really hungry. And it's so cold. He only has a torn jacket.
Grandpa, here you are. Buy yourself a bowl of hot porridge and a warm coat.
What are you doing? That's your pocket money saved for 2 months. $60. You're giving him all of it?
Son, thank you. I haven't eaten in 3 days. You're an angel.
You're crazy. That was all your pocket money. You can't even buy ice cream at the amusement park now.
I don't need ice cream. He needs food.
LiBu, I'm so proud of you. You are the best child.
Lily? LiBu? Sit down. Mum and Dad want to talk to you about something very important.
Lily, your attitude toward that old man on the street today. Mocking him, calling him lazy, calling him a scammer. We are very disappointed.
And LiBu, you gave all your pocket money to help a stranger. Do you know what that's called? That's kindness. That's generosity.
But grades are important too. Don't you always say you need good grades to get into a good college and be successful?
Grades are important, of course, but kindness is 100 times more important. Originally, only Lily had a ticket. Today, we're giving LiBu one too.
That's not fair. His grades aren't good. Why does he get a reward? Just because he gave a beggar $60? Then I'll go give money to a beggar tomorrow too.
Lily, if you give money just to get a reward, that's not kindness. Kindness is when you truly want to help others, expecting nothing in return.
Kids, remember what happened today? Report cards expire, amusement park tickets get used up, But the warmth you feel from helping others will stay in your heart forever. Kindness, that's the perfect score you'll never lose.
Helping others is the real success in life. LiBu did that today. We should all learn from him.
Little brother, I'm sorry. You did the right thing today. I won't be like that anymore.
It's okay. Sis, we can go help others together.
Kids, remember what happened today. Report cards expire, amusement park tickets get used up, but the warmth you feel from helping others will stay in your heart forever. Kindness, that's the perfect score you'll never lose.
Next weekend, all 4 of us are going to the amusement park. LiBu, you have a ticket too now.